In this video, I'm going to show you how to add online classes or events to the Toddle About website. So first of all, go to toddleabout.co.uk/organisation and log into your account there. Once you've logged in, then you will see a screen a bit like this. And you should see at the top of your list of venues an online location which has a big activate button. I'm going to click activate there, and now that will become a location at which I can add classes and events. So next to that line, I'm going to click the orange button that says add event or class at this venue, and that will bring up this screen here. So I've got an option now to add a new class or add a new event. I'm going to add a new class, and I'm going to say that I'm running a weekly class online. So I'll fill in the boxes here. So I've put this as an online weekly class. I've put a class description here, which can be as long as you want. And I've also put in the short description here, I've put the link to the Facebook group where I'm running the online classes. This is the link that will appear in the lockdown activity guide or in the Toddle About magazine when my classes are printed there. I've put in ages from 0 to 5, and I'll click save. The next screen asks me to tell the system when the event is running. So I need to complete these details here. For the term name, I'm just going to put in the day and the time. So let's say we run these on Mondays at 10 AM. And then for the number of sessions in the term, let's say we're just running it for until to the end of February, which will be, I think, is about 7 weeks. Then I need to put in the start date and time. So from the pop-up here, I'm going to say it starts on Monday the 11th, and we'll set the time. Please don't forget to set the start time here. So we'll set it at 10 AM, and you just click the PM, switch it to AM and back, and vice versa. So that's 10 AM. The session lasts 30 minutes, and we put a cost in here. We'll say the cost is £5. And then that is cost per session, by the way. And then for the maximum number of attendees, I can have as many as I want, so I'll just put in 99. And this is going to run weekly. We're not going to allow drop-ins, so I'll leave that unchecked, and then I click save. I can now see that the Monday's 10 AM term has been added. If I click the preview button, which is the purple button here at the top, then it will bring up my listing on the Toddle About website. And now I should be able to click activities, and it will show me the online weekly class that I've just added, which is running online. If I now click show details, it will show us Monday at 10 AM, and if I click show dates, it shows me all the dates that I'm running. If I need to edit that at all, I can go back to my login, and where it says Mondays at 10 AM, I can click edit, and what that will allow me to do is edit the dates that are within that term or that block. So if I scroll down here, I can see a list of all the dates that we're running. And let's say we're not going to run on the 1st of February. I can just delete that one. So that is now removed. And then I can head back to my class. Now I might be running on more than one day. So at the moment I've got Mondays at 10 AM, but I could just click add a new term to add Wednesdays at 10 AM as well. So when I click on new term, I now have this option at the top which says copy from. To save me time and make it a bit easier, I can select a copy from the Mondays at 10 AM class I just added. This time I'm going to change it to Wednesdays, and I must remember therefore to change the start time and date, but I'm going to change it to the 13th. It already says 10 AM, so I'm going to leave that there. And the rest of the details are the same, so then I can click save, and then my Wednesdays class will have been added too. As so. In a similar way, I might want to add a different weekly class. So this might be for babies, and then I've got one for toddlers. So if I click back on the online tab, this takes me back to the online location, and it will list all the classes I'm running there. At the moment I've got the online weekly class, so now I want to add the online toddler class. So I'm going to click add new class again. And again I can use the copy from function to choose the online weekly class here. I'm going to make this one for toddlers. I can put in my description, whatever we want that to be, and then I will change the dates. Oh, sorry, not the dates, the ages here. So that's for 3. Once that's saved, it will then take me through to the setting up the times again. And much like before, I can copy from a previous term, or I can set up a brand new one here. And that's how you do it. You can go through in that way to quickly set up any classes and events that you're running online, and they will be advertised immediately on the Toddle About website. It can take up to 24 hours for them to show in search results, so do be a little bit patient with that, but they'll be there very quickly.